And face down. Relax the shoulder. Tender there.
Yeah, a little bit sore.
Where this one?
From doing shoulders.
How heavy were you lifting?
I did. So we worked up to around at max, and I did 60 kilograms.
Nice.
Push press.
On each arm.
No, so just a bar with weights on the end.
Relax. And lift the left leg up. And bend down. Just repeat that. And the right side. How has the hip been, by the way?
Yeah, not better. It's a bit sore from obviously doing CrossFit. But I actually see after. But no, it has felt a lot better.
And drop that down. And this one. What are you guys doing today?
Just ice and sort of
Nice.
maybe a workout with you guys.
Come on. Lay this side down. Other way. And then straighten this bottom leg. And lift this one up. And down. 3 more. Painful?
No.
And again. And the other side.
No, I'm just a bit sore, like the hamstrings and stuff.
When did you do this workout?
Sunday, honestly.
And one more this side. And I'm just going to come this up. Bring this knee up. And back. 3 more. Stand and move.